My name is Manan Patel and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem. The problem number is 1281. It says that subtract the product and sum of n integers. So by looking forward with description, we will going to learn how we can solve a problem of LeetCode. So we have given detailed description about problem. Given an integer number n, return the difference between product of its digit and the sum of its digits. So here we have given a number n, and we have to crack in all digits, and then we have to solve it into product and digit. And after that, when we get a total digits of product and digits of sum, we have to calculate difference between them, product and sum. By solving this, we get our answer. So our first approach is using while loop. As we doesn't know how many number of number of times loop will run, we will use while loop. So let me introduce two variable as sum, where we will store number of digit, and the second one is multiple. Let me name as multi. So here we will initialize the value of multiple equals to 1, because if we initialize value of multi equals to 0, then overall multiplication of the digits will be also 0. So for not taking risk, we will use initial value equals to 1. Now let me introduce one variable which will be temp, which will store a copy of original value n. Now I will make one while loop. In that while loop, we will enter the condition as temp not equals to 0, as we will reduce the value of temp by let's say the input is 2 3 4. So we will solve as we will first evaluate the value 4, then 3, then 2. So it will evaluated by divide of the number. Let me introduce one new variable which will give only particular last digit, as we will use a reminder. Let me introduce that temp percent, as we know that percentage is used to calculate remainder of the particular value. So when we write temp percent equals to 10, we will get the last number of digit which is stored in temp. So let me give the value of temp update to sum and multiplication. So sum equals to sum plus UPD, as we get last value of UPD in temp, last value of temp in UPD. So we had added UPD in sum, and we will also multiply the same into UPD. So here we will know that UPD contains, let me take one example also, again one example, 2 3 and 4. The 4 value is stored in UPD. So multi equals to multi into UPD. UPD contains 4, and multi equals to, for initially multi equals to 1. Then 1 into 4, it means multi equals to 4. Now I will reduce last value from the given value. Here we are known as that temp equals to temp percent 10. As temp is integer, so it will only give the last integer value, not the fraction value. So our logic has been done, and it will run perfectly. Now let me return the value difference between multi and sum. let me check the test cases. Yeah, test case has been solved. uh, Here we are. Let me explain one more time as how the logic has been run. Here we had initialized one sum, multi and temp. First of all, sum equals to 10. Here the sum is has to be initialized because we will calculate all the digits of number. Let's say we are taking input 4421, so one by one sum has been calculated as 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. It will calculate reverse as we are using remainder operator. We will be get the value as from last to first, and same applicable in multi, that 1 into 1, 1 first of all our initial value of multi equals to 1, so 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, then 2 into 4, it means 8, and 8 into 4, it means 30, and 8 into 4 equals to 32. Thank you. So I will submit this. Let me check. Boom. Here we have pass all the test cases, and our runtime is 0 milli per second. Time complexity is 0 milli per second, and memory has been used is 7.85 MB. So if you like the video, then